Okay, ji. Let's move towards the exercise. Here we have the exercise 2D. This is the last exercise of our syllabus, and we will deal with the question number 1. There are 4 parts of question number 1. I will solve only 3. You will solve the 4th one by yourself. Okay. So first of all, we will solve the A part. In A part, we are given with minus 1 over 2 plus into minus 3 over 4. Okay, in our previous questions we have seen if we are given with minus 2 plus into minus 3. So in this kind of question I have told you we will solve first this bracket and these signs, and this bracket means the symbol of multiplication. So first of all, minus 2, this plus will be multiplied by this minus, then our answer will be the minus, because both of these signs are the different signs. Okay, so 2 minus 3 will be our answer. So now suppose in this question we will solve this bracket first. So minus 1 over 2 will be written as it is. This plus is being multiplied by this minus, so minus will be our answer because these are two different symbols like in this case, and 3 over 4 will be written as it is. Okay, now after this this is our numerator, this is denominator, this is numerator, and this is denominator. After this I have told you we will find the LCM of the denominators 2 and 4. So in our rough work we will find the 2 and 4. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4, again 2 ones are 2 ones are. Okay, so that means its LCM will be 2 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 4. So we will place the line here, and 4 is our LCM. After this we will solve it by the division symbol. Our dividend will be this 4, that is our LCM, and with the first division our divisor will be 2. 2 twos are 4. Now this 2 will be multiplied by this minus 1, so 2 into minus 1, minus symbol will be written as it is. Now this 4 will be divided by this 4, so 4 ones are 4. This 1 will be multiplied by this minus 3, so 1 into 3. I am not writing the minus 3 here because I have placed the minus here. Okay, after this minus 1 into 2, that will be equal to minus 2, minus 1 into 3 will be equal to minus 3 over 4. As you can see, both of the numbers have the same signs of negative, so we will place the negative here and we will add both of these numbers. Minus 5 over 4 will be our answer. Okay, in the second part we are given with the mixed form of the fraction. So first of all we will resolve the mixed form. We will multiply 8 3 times. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 1 25. 25 over 8, and after this this plus symbol will be multiplied by this minus, so minus will our answer, minus 1 over 4. After this in our rough work we will find the LCM of 8 and 4, starting with 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are, and 2 1s are. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. That means our LCM is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 8. Okay, so here I have written 8. After this we will place the two symbols of the division. Our dividend will be this LCM. Firstly we will divide it by this 8. 8 ones are 8. Now this 1 will be multiplied by this 25. 1 into 25. Okay, after this minus symbol will be written as it is, and here we have the 4 in the denominator. 4 2s are 8, and now this 2 will be multiplied by this 1. 1 into 2. Okay, this will be equal to 25 minus 2 over 8, that is equal to 23 over 8, which is our answer. Okay, hope so it is clear to you. Let's move towards the third part. In third part we are given with 5 and 1 over 5. First of all we will resolve the mixed form. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 1 26 over 5, minus 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 9 over 2. So first of all we will find the LCM. 2 comma 5, 2 ones are and 5 will be written as it is and 5 ones are. So our LCM will be 2 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 10. So LCM is 10. So we will place the two symbols of division. 10 is our LCM. We will write the 10 as dividend. First we divide with 5. 5 2s are 10. Now this 2 will be multiplied by this 26. So if we multiply 26 by 2, then 2 6 are 26 by 2, 2 6 are 12. We are given with 1 carry, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5, 52. So we will write the 52 here, and this minus symbol will be written as it is, and after this 2 5s are 10. Now this 5 will be multiplied by this 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, and 9 fives are 45. So we will write the 45 here. As you can see, this 52 has a symbol of plus and 45 has a symbol of minus. Okay, these are two different symbols, so we will subtract the smaller number from the larger one. So 52 minus 45. Okay, we get 1 carry with 2 and we are left with the 7 only. Okay, so we will write the 7 here and the symbol of the larger number, which is 52. So plus 7 over 10 will be our answer. Okay, hope so it is clear to you. You will solve the fourth part by yourself. If you have any question, you can contact me. I'm there for you. Thank you very much.